How to hit your first million in the next 5 to 10 years. This is the Your First Million edition of Secrets of the Wealthy, where over the next 15, 20, 30, I don't even know how many videos we're going to talk about strategies to get all you young guys, you young busters, up to your first million in the bank. First things that you got to do is recognize that getting to the first million is 50% mental and it's 50% physical. That's what it takes to create it. Number one, it is possible. Number two, it is a mindset. Number three, it requires you to do and not do certain things. You eventually want more passive income than active income. You want as much tax-free money as humanly possible. You want to get around you want to get everyone around you involved in this idea as well. That you want to get ultra wealthy and get your first million, but don't forget, it's 50% mental, a decision that you do want to make your first million, and then it's 50% physical, doing things and not doing other things.